Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best dog foods for giant breed dogs that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Blue Buffalo Wilderness High Protein Rocky Mountain Recipe Dry Food. This recipe is from the Blue Buffalo Higher Protein Wilderness range, but instead of using common meat ingredients like chicken and poultry, it uses only red meat and seafood. Depending on the recipe, the proteins used are deboned beef, beef meal, chicken meal, salmon meal, deboned lamb, and deboned venison. The protein content is 28%, which is plenty enough to keep your pooch satisfied. It contains no corn, wheat, soy, artificial flavors, or preservatives. This recipe uses healthy grains like oatmeal, brown rice, and barley. It is also rich in healthy omega fatty acids, thanks to flaxseed, fish oil, and meat meals. Nutrient-rich ingredients such as alfalfa meal, sweet potatoes, cranberries, and dried kelp keep your dog's immune system strong and healthy. At 700 milligrams per kilogram, this kibble has a higher glucosamine content than most others. Moving on, at number 4 we have the Hills Science Diet Large Breed. Hills Science Diet is renowned for its simple recipes, usually made with grains, and this large breed kibble is no exception. Canine nutritionists base their recipes on the scientific observations of large dog breeds and their nutritional needs. So you can be sure it provides everything your gentle giant needs, thanks to key ingredients and supplements. At 20%, it has a lower protein content than some of our choices. But this sometimes benefits some bigger dogs and their sensitive stomachs. And it is still AAFCO compliant. Chicken is the first ingredient, with chicken meal listed further down. Apples, broccoli, and carrots are listed too, along with added supplements, to ensure their immune system is kept strong and fighting fit. At number 3, we have the Wellness Core Plus, formerly RawRev, dry dog food. This is our more premium dry food choice for giant dog breeds, and it is Wellness's high protein range, offering 33% protein and tasty freeze-dried meaty bites. The meat sources and first 3 ingredients include deboned chicken, chicken meal, and turkey meal. These are rich in amino acids, energy, glucosamine, and flavor. This recipe also includes easy-to-digest grains, such as brown rice, barley, and oatmeal. Spinach, broccoli, carrots, apples, blueberries, and kale provide the all-important vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to keep them robust. At 5%, the fiber content is high, meaning your ravenous pooch feels fuller longer, helping to stave off weight gain. The glucosamine content is 1,200 milligrams per kilogram, meaning this option offers joints the most support. The kibble pieces are larger than usual, making it easier to eat. At number 2, we have the Natural Balance Limited Ingredient Adult Grain-Free Wet Canned Dog Food. Natural Balance is best known for its limited ingredient formulas, which sensitive dogs love. It only uses 1 meat and 1 carbohydrate source, followed by essential micro-ingredients, making it simple to digest. The micro-ingredients include crucial vitamins, minerals, and other supplements needed to maintain health. Duck is the first ingredient, followed by potatoes and duck broth. Although this recipe offers the lowest protein content, it is still AAFCO compliant, and sometimes better for dogs who cannot digest meat-rich formulas. It is also a grain-free and chicken-free recipe, making it ideal for giant dogs who are intolerant of grains, or this commonly used meat source. You can also select a sweet potato and fish or venison recipe to give your pup flavor variety. And finally, at number 1, we have the Hills Science Diet Light, Adult 1 to 5, Large Breed. The first ingredient and the sole animal protein is chicken meal, making it a top choice for giant dogs who need easy-to-digest formulas. It is low on calories, 271 per cup, and fat, 5.5%, meaning it should be relatively simple for your dog to lose weight with this option. The fiber content is 14%, which is super high and keeps your pup feeling fuller for longer. Despite being low in fat and calories, it still provides a well-balanced diet for your dog's overall nutritional needs. L-carnitine is listed, which stimulates doggy metabolisms and helps them burn extra calories. Glucosamine supports the joints, helping counteract the pressure from excess weight. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.